Hello everyone, and welcome to video 1-1. I wanted to create this video just to show everybody what it is we're going to be looking at throughout this course. Not only will it be a video for the introduction to blueprint reading, but it's also going to give you just kind of an idea of what you can expect throughout this course. So I've got an object here that we're going to draw. It's a solid object. As you read through module 1, you're going to hear me talk a lot about CAD software. Complex and powerful CAD software is the term that I used. And it's basically what you see on my screen here. I'm using AutoCAD 2013, which is the CAD package that we teach currently. And what I'm going to do is just create a simple blueprint of this part. It's a very, very simplistic part. There's nothing that complicated about it, so it shouldn't take us just a couple of minutes. So, to do so, I'm going to go to a clean area of my screen here, and I'm going to start by creating just my object lines. Now, object lines are used to show the size and the shape of a part. So I'll start by drawing my rectangle, and then I'm going to add the hole that goes through the part. And then I'm going to come over here. This is going to be my front view, which you're going to learn about a little bit later once you get a little farther into the course. But I'm also going to create my right side view. Okay, so those give me the two views that we need for this part. Now, as this hole goes through the part, I also have to add hidden lines, which are going to show the hole going through the part. Again, that's something that you'll learn a little bit later. I do that by projecting the hole over from the front view into the right side view. Okay, so there's my object lines and my hidden lines. They completely describe the size and the shape of the part. However, without the necessary dimensions, anybody reading the blueprint's not going to be able to do anything with this. So what I'm going to do is add center lines that'll represent the center of the hole, where it's located, and then I'm going to come in and add dimensions to it as well. Now, what I'm going to do now is turn these two lines into actual center lines. And that's done by giving them a very specific pattern. You can see over here these hidden lines have a dashed line type. Well, center lines have their own particular line type, which is a combination of a long dash and short dash, as you can see right here. Okay, so there's my center lines, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to come in now and add the dimensions. Now, there's a very specific way these dimensions are supposed to be added to a part, and that's why I'm putting these extra rectangles in here. I'll actually delete them as soon as I'm done with them. So I'm going to add a dimension that shows the overall length of the part. I'm going to add one that shows the horizontal location of the hole. I'll add a dimension that shows the overall height of the part. And then I'm going to add another that will show the vertical location of the hole. And then add a final dimension here that shows the width of the part, or the depth of the part. And then one more dimension that shows the size of the hole. And that quickly, we've created a blueprint. Now we can give this blueprint to any skilled worker who can go out and manufacture this part.